A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to the virtual grand finale of TechGig Code Gladiators 2020. This is the world's largest online programming competition and the winner of the Guinness Book of World Records and the Limca Book of Records. The TechGig Code Gladiators is the biggest and the best. I am Ruchira Sharma, your host for this evening, and I welcome all of you on behalf of TechGig, India's most passionate technology community. This rollercoaster ride has truly been an exciting experience for all of us. It is, after all, the world's biggest coding event. Around 252,000 coders and tech warriors have been fighting a gruesome battle of grit, determination and skills since March 2020. This time, the battle was more intense than ever, given the COVID-19 impact. The war cry was loud and clear. Hashtag Code in Quarantine and hashtag Code Gladiators. The super tech warriors from all across the world and our country have fought this last battle on August 8th and 9th to claim their glory for the grand finale of the TechGig, Code Gladiators 2020, the world's largest coding contest. Well, the competition was fierce, the circumstances extremely unusual, but the objective remained the same: to find the genius coders from all across the world and come up with tech solutions which will help mitigate the impact of the pandemic. And out of the record-breaking 252,000 participants, just 12,095 participants have moved to the semi-finals. The competition was very challenging, to say the least, with only 1,542 participants making it to the grand finale. So honestly, each one of you is a true winner in the real sense of the word. So irrespective of the final outcome, each one of you here is a winner in the real sense of the word. Each finalist who has come this far is a champion. By the end of this evening, however, we will see the crowning of the mighty programmers who have fought tooth and nail, using their technological genius, grit and determination to write some of the best coding algorithms. We had 4 New Age themed hackathons, namely Microsoft Hack on Azure, UiPath RPA Hackathon, IBM 2020 Call for Code Global Challenge, and the automated multi-label classification. But I must mention here that 2 of these hackathons, the IBM Call for Code Global Challenge and the Microsoft Hack on Azure, were focused specifically on finding tech solutions to limit the impact of COVID-19. Now that is what we call truly making an impact where it matters. But firstly, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made this event possible. Most importantly, our sponsors. They have been true pillars of strength in each step of this journey. So here is to our hackathon team partners: Microsoft, UiPath, Times Internet, IBM. And the diamond partners are IG Infotech. The silver partners are CDK Group and the Colbert Group. So without much ado, let me now invite Mr. Sanjay Goyal, Business Head, Times Jobs and TechGig, to welcome all of you here. Hello Sanjay, and welcome to this mega event. So how are you today?
I am very good, thank you so much, and a very lovely evening.
Thank you, and the energy here is buzzing with so much excitement, but you yourself have been associated with this amazing event for so many years. So how has your experience been so far?
So experience has been quite phenomenal. The energy levels of the techies is quite mind-boggling. And over the years the participation has gone up. The level of engagement with the sponsors and the candidates or the participants is very good.
Great. But this is the 7th edition of this event and yet the first virtual event. So how has that experience been, going from on ground to online?
We were not prepared for this. I think nobody expected the pandemic fallout to be so bad. We at some point envisioned that we may want to go virtual, and so accordingly we planned the virtual event, but it's quite good actually, and the way things are moving, we didn't expect we would be meeting people like this.
Yes, but it's been wonderful. The whole room is buzzing with excitement. All our coders can't wait to hear the results for today, and now I will leave you to address all of them. Thank you so much.
So it has been a phenomenal experience to host all of you here, and I'm really glad that the enthusiasm that we have received from the tech fraternity, the finalists, has been quite amazing. The results would be out very soon, and it would be a great experience to be sharing the laurels with the all the participants. I am sure with your scintillating performance, you will be wow the entire set of sponsors and the audience. And let's look forward to that. Every year, Code Gladiators brings a fabulous opportunity to meet young coders, understand their ambitions and aspirations. Code Gladiators is actually a pedestal for many youngsters to step out of their comfort zone and prove their skills. Usually at Code Gladiator finale, I meet a lot of young people who tell me how Code Gladiators help them meet their peers or industry veterans or learn new things. This year's is however different, if not difficult. We are hosting the 7th edition of Code Gladiators in 2020, and this is the first time that we are hosting an online grand finale. With the COVID-19 situation slipping out of hands in March this year, we were discussing how things will shape up for Code Gladiators. And as I speak to you, I must say that things have turned out pretty well for us. We saw participating numbers swelling. COVID-19 lockdown could not stop the enthusiastic coders from participating at Code Gladiators. When the world was gripped with COVID-19 initiated lockdown, we received unprecedented support from the coding community. The registrations this year were a phenomenal 2,52,365. Just 12,095 participants out of this number moved to the semi-finale, and only a top of 0.61% of the participants, that is 1,542, made it to the grand finale round. Our war cry this year was #CodingQuarantine, and true to its call, we have seen people from all parts of India participating enthusiastically at Code Gladiators. Frankly, this is all very inspiring to me. If you know your goal and work on it day and night, then nothing, not even COVID-19, can stop you from achieving success. As we gather here to celebrate the success of talented finalists, we must appreciate the hard work of all participants. We have all gathered here to raise a toast to the best coders and celebrate their success. First, let me thank the people who made this event possible. I must thank our sponsors. The hackathon partners this year were Microsoft, UiPath, Times Internet Limited, IBM. Diamond partner, IG Infotech. And silver partners this year were CDK Group and Colruyt Group. Thank you everyone for making this event possible. Without holding you back from the grand finale ceremony, I would just like to say, keep safe and #CodingQuarantine. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Goyal, for your very motivating speech. So moving on, all the young IT enthusiasts watching us live here at the Code Gladiators finale can't wait for the big moment, and that is finally here. So I would now like to move on to the much awaited award segment, the Coding Powerhouse Awards. I would also like to invite Mr. Sandeep Bagadia, Product Lead, Times Jobs.
Thanks, Ruchia. Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to be at TechGeek Code Gladiators Grand Finale Award Ceremony. This event is like a World Cup for all the coders. Coders across the globe participate in it. And now, since we are at the finale, I am here to announce award for the Coding Powerhouses. Second runner-up is IG Infotech. First runner-up is CDK Global.
Hello everyone. It's my pleasure to be part of the TechGeek Code Gladiators 2020 Grand Finale. Our journey of CDK Global and TechGeek Code Gladiators has been enchanting. The experience was overwhelming, and we really look forward to many more such delightful events in the future. Today at the Grand Finale, it's my pleasure to be the first runners-up of the Coding Powerhouse title. We are delighted to receive the reward. Thank you to everyone, and heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
So moving on to our first set of awards for today's ceremony. But before that, I would like to tell you that these awards are essentially about felicitating companies who are able to successfully showcase their coding might. with maximum coders participation and of course the best performances in the world's biggest coding competition, namely the TechGig Code Gladiators. And now the most exciting part of the evening. I would like to invite Mr. Jagajit Turuk, Lead Product TechGig.
Hello everyone, welcome to the grand evening of TechGig Code Gladiators 2020 finale. I am sure you are excited and anxious about the results, but before we move forward, let me thank and congratulate each one of you for being a part of this wonderful virtual coding challenge. The responses from you have been really overwhelming for the entire TechGig team. Let me end this excitement by announcing the winners for the Coding Powerhouse. And the winner for the TechGig Code Gladiators Center of Excellence Awards 2020 is the Coolride Group.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to be part of TechGig Code Gladiators Grand Finale 2020. Our journey with TechGig Code Gladiators has been very encouraging, and I look forward to more such delightful events in the future. Today, at the Grand Finale, it's my pleasure to be the winner of Coding Powerhouse title. We are very delighted to receive this award, and I dedicate this to all my Coolride coding gladiators. Thank you, and my heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
Well, congratulations, this is a great achievement. Thank you so much. This is really a sensational moment for all of us and for all those who have joined us online to witness the finale of the world's biggest coding event. So while you're here, do not forget to type in #CodeGladiators and #CodeInQuarantine and let the world know that you are here witnessing this mega coding extravaganza. Moving on to the next segment, the Theme Hackathon Awards. Microsoft Hackathon Azure, UiPath RPA Hackathon, IBM 2020 Call for Code Global Challenge, and the Automated Multi-Label Classification. Firstly, we'd like to move to the Microsoft Hackathon Azure Hackathon. And now I would like to invite Ms. Trishula Jain, Senior Product Marketing Manager Azure, to join us and give away the second runner-up award.
Good evening, everybody. This is Trishula Jain, Product Marketing Manager for Azure Microsoft India. It's such a great pleasure to be at the TechGig Code Gladiator Grand Finale ceremony. I would like to congratulate TechGig for organizing such a brilliant virtual event. It was indeed great to see so many coding enthusiasts here. We at Microsoft had an exciting experience being at Code Gladiator 2020. Today, it's my honor to announce the winners of Hack on Azure Hackathon competition. The second runner-up team is Pritesh and Gaurav. The first runner-up team is Code Commando. And the winning team is Geekers. I would like to thank each and every participants of Hack on Azure Hackathon and would like to congratulate all the winners. Thank you.
We'd now like to move on to the second theme, UiPath RPA Hackathon. Well, this is one of the hottest topics all around the globe, robotic process automation. And I would like to invite Team UiPath to join us and give away the awards for this hackathon.
It's my pleasure to be part of TechGig's Code Gladiators Virtual Event 2020. I am privileged to be here and I'm privileged to announce the winners for this event. The event was held over the past couple of months and we finally came to 3 winners for this event. The second runner-up is Team Vajrang. And the first runner-up is RPA Progressor. And the final and the winner for this event is Hijackers.
Now it's time to give a huge shout out to TechGig and all the winners. Well, your support and best wishes mean a lot to all these young and enthusiastic coders who have come a long way for this well-deserved win. But now it's time to move on to another theme, which is also a very hot topic right now, and that is climate change. I would like to now invite Team IBM to join us and give away the awards for this hackathon.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Malia and I lead the Developer Advocacy Group for IBM for India and South Asia. It's my pleasure to be part of the TechGig Code Gladiator Grand Finale Awards ceremony. I would like to congratulate TechGig for organizing such a wonderful virtual event. It was indeed a delight to witness so many coding enthusiasts here. The Call for Code Hackathon was our way of helping the world combat the global pandemic COVID-19. Thank you for your commitment and participation. Today, at the grand finale, it's my pleasure and my honor to announce the winner of the Call for Code hack. The second runner-up Slide with their innovative self-checkout kiosk idea at supermarkets to minimize contact. The first runner-up Idea Gem for their very interesting donor recipient platform solution. And now the winner, Blockchain Ninjas. Their solution of creating a marketplace for the government, pharma companies and hospitals to ensure timely treatment for COVID patients impressed the judges the most.
Thank you, Team IBM, for giving away this award. Well, this is truly a big moment, ladies and gentlemen. But I would like to also point out that since March 2020, when the world was grappling with the COVID-19 outbreak, our warriors, our tech warriors, were actually fighting code wars to find incredible solutions. And now, moving on to the last theme hackathon, the automated multi-label classification. I would like to invite the team from Times Internet Limited to join us in giving away the awards for this hackathon.
Hi all, we at Times Internet had an exciting experience at TechGig Code Gladiators 2020. Today, at this grand finale, it's my pleasure to announce the winners of Times Internet Hackathon. The second runner-up Geeksters. The first runner-up is Dumb Terminals, and the winner is Spacebar.
Thank you so much, teams Times Internet Limited. Thank you for being here with us. And now we move on to a very special set of awards, the Best Female Coder Award. We would now like to get to the most exciting part of this evening, the Best Female Coder Awards 2020. This is the time to reward the coders who have been able to decode some very complex problems with their rather amazing algorithms. And I would now like to request Ms. Neha Singh Verma, Head Content and Strategy and Corporate Communications, Times Jobs and Tech Gig, to join us and give away this award.
Thank you, Ruchira, for the introduction. Good evening, everyone. I never thought the virtual event can be so lively. The award I'm here to present is just not an award, but TechGeek's commitment to empower women in tech. In fact, very soon we are going to launch the 6th edition of TechGeek Geek Goddess, India's largest women-only coding contest. Without much delay, I am here to announce the Code Diva of TechGeek Code Gladiators 2020. And the winner is Kriti Dharia.
Well, heartiest congratulations to you. To give away the 4th runner-up award, may I now request Mr. Ashok Chopra, Head of Finance, Times Jobs and Tech Gig, to join us and give away the award.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to be a part of Tech Geek Code Gladiator Virtual Grand Finale 2020 award ceremony. Being a finance guy, I never did coding myself, but I am happy and surprised to see the drive and passion of all our finalists. This year, despite COVID situation, we had a successful registration of about 252,000 plus, and out of that, 12,000 plus made it to the semi-final and 1,542 made it to the grand finale round. And I am honored to announce the award for the 4th runner-up categories goes to
And now, to give away the 3rd runner-up award, I would like to request Mr. Shivan Meglani, Head of Digital Ad Sales, Times Jobs and Tech Gig.
Good evening everyone. It's my pleasure to be a part of Tech Geek Code Gladiators Virtual Grand Finale 2020 award ceremony. Looking at this packed ballroom today, I think hosting a virtual grand finale is a wonderful way to celebrate the 7th edition of Code Gladiators. It has been truly inspiring for 7 years, guys. Today at the virtual grand finale, it's my pleasure to announce the name of the 3rd runner-up. And the 3rd runner-up is
Moving on, to give away the 2nd runner-up award, I would like to request Ms. Zulekha, Head HR, Times Job and Tech Gig.
It's my pleasure to be part of the Tech Gig Code Gladiators Virtual Grand Finale 2020 awards ceremony. The grand ballroom is truly buzzing with great energy exuded by all our finale participants, Tech Gig patrons and India's most passionate coders. Today, at the virtual grand finale, it's my honor to announce the 2nd runner-up award, which goes to Kalash Gupta.
And now it's time for the 1st runner-up award. I would like to request Mr. Ram Avasthi, VP Technology and Chief Architect, Times Internet, to join us and give away this award.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be part of the Tech Geek Code Gladiators Virtual Grand Finale 2020 awards. I wish I had been on the other side of the table and competing with all you amazing coders. Even today, nothing excites as much to compile a perfect code. I really know what you guys have been through in the past few months. Today at the Virtual Grand Finale, it's my honor to announce that 1st runner-up award goes to Mr. Chaitanya.
And now to give away the Winners Award, I would like to request Mr. Sanjay Goyal, Business Head, Times Jobs and TechGeek to join us on stage. Hi Sanjay, great to have you here and we meet again.
Hi Ruchira.
Great, so the evening is buzzing with excitement, so let's hear from you who the winners are.
So let's announce the winner.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Sanjay Goyal, for being here and giving away this very special award. Thank you so much and congratulations to the winners.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all and good night. But before we go, remember that we are waiting to see you next year with yet another stupendous edition of the TechGeek Code Gladiators. Meanwhile, remember to stay safe and stay strong and always believe that together we shall all overcome. And remember the hashtags. #CodeInQuarantine and #CodeGladiators. Thank you all. This is Ruchira Sharma signing off.